Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to attach a Vega helmet visor. First, ensure you have the correct replacement visor for your specific Vega helmet model. You'll also need a small Phillips head screwdriver for some models, though many Vega helmets feature a tool-free design. A soft cloth is useful for cleaning and protecting your helmet during the process. Always work on a stable, clean surface to avoid scratches or damage. To begin, open your helmet's visor to its highest position. On most Vega helmets, you'll find a release mechanism near the pivot point on each side. These can be buttons, levers, or a sliding track system. For models with screws, use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully loosen them. Once released, gently pull or slide the visor away from the helmet, ensuring both sides detach smoothly without forcing anything. Now, take your new Vega visor and align its attachment tabs with the corresponding slots on your helmet. Many Vega visors have a specific orientation, so ensure the top and bottom tabs are correctly positioned. Gently push the visor into the slots. You should hear a distinct click as each side locks into place. For screw-on models, reinsert and tighten the screws, being careful not to over-tighten. After attaching the new visor, perform a few checks. Open and close the visor fully several times to ensure it moves smoothly and locks securely in all positions. Inspect the seal around the visor for any gaps that could allow wind or water to enter. A properly installed visor should feel firm and operate without excessive play. And hey, if you're looking for other great deals, check the description below for a link to some fantastic socks and more.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.